Welcome back to NDN House, where smart remodeling meets budget-friendly brilliance. Today, we're diving into one of the most affordable ways to refresh your bathroom, painting the tiles. Yes, instead of tearing them off and starting over, you can now give your old tiles a brand new look with just a can of paint. Sounds simple? Well, before you pick up a brush, there are 6 key things you need to know. 1. Painting is cheaper than retiling. Painting is one of the most cost-effective updates you can make. A DIY paint job for 100 square feet might cost you just $100. Meanwhile, retiling that same space could cost anywhere from $100 to $1,500, depending on your tile choice. Painting is the clear winner for budget-conscious Americans wanting a fresh new look without breaking the bank. 2. Endless style possibilities. With paint, you're not stuck with outdated tile styles. You can go classic, trendy, or totally custom. Whether you love checkerboard, modern geometric, or something minimalist, painting gives you the power to create a look that reflects your personality, and change it later if you want. 3. Not every surface is ideal. While most tiles can be painted, ceramic, porcelain, even some natural stone, you'll get the best results on low to medium moisture surfaces, like floors and walls outside the shower. Avoid high-moisture areas like shower walls or countertops, unless you're okay with more frequent touch-ups. 4. Choose the right paint for tile. Not all paints are created equal. Use latex or epoxy paint specifically designed for interior tile surfaces. For wet areas, epoxy paint is best. For example, try the Rust-Oleum Tub and Tile Refinishing Kit, available on Amazon and highly rated with nearly 2,000 reviews. Natural stone, go with latex acrylic paint for masonry. 5. Be prepared for downtime. Painting tile isn't an afternoon task. You'll go through surface prep, priming, painting, stenciling, if desired, and sealing. Drying times vary, and in total, your bathroom could be off limits for a full week. Plan ahead, and grab all your toiletries first. 6. Easy maintenance. Keeps it fresh. Once sealed, painted tile is surprisingly easy to clean. Sweep, vacuum, and use mild cleaners designed for tile to keep the color vibrant. Use rugs and felt pads under furniture to prevent scratches. Got a chip? Just touch it up with the leftover paint and reseal. And there you have it, 6 essential truths about painting your bathroom tiles. Whether you're trying to save money, refresh your style, or simply make your old tiles work harder for you, this guide has got you covered. Don't forget to check out recommended products like the Rust-Oleum Tub and Tile Kit on Amazon. The link is in the description. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share it with your friends. We'd love to hear from you, so feel free to drop your questions or feedback in the comments below. You can also support the NDN House channel by shopping through the affiliate links in the description. Every purchase goes a long way in helping us create more helpful content for you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one, only on NDN House.